All right, today we are back at the Hunter Lake Trail, starting at Garson Road. We're gonna do the whole trail and then Caughlin Ranch.
There's a few people out here today, so we might run into some traffic, maybe. We'll see you guys at the observation point. We're getting up there. Yeah, this trail still is very rocky, very washboard, and not amazing. It is quite rough, and not in a good way. It's just kind of a pain instead of being fun.
We got some pretty colors over there. Yeah, I mean, you can't really see, it's too bumpy. Oh, hey, it got a little smoother. All right, we made it very much around the other side of the mountain. The views spiraling up over there where your Cabela's is just ended. Everything looks pretty nice. It's scenic, it's just the road's pretty bad. And then when you get here, it gets a little better. So it's pretty tolerable now.
All right, so I'm going up the trail, and there's just a little mini excavator up here. Don't know how that got here, but you know, it's here. Don't know why it's there.
All right, we made it to
the radio towers or something.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, there.
Could be more windy up here. It's still pretty windy, so if the audio's bad, sorry. We're rolling through here. We just got to like the kind of peaks that are peaking up around 9,000 to 10,000 feet around here, and it looks like there's a bunch of frost or snow on them. It's kind of hard to tell. You can kind of see the fine line of where it kind of goes to frost. I don't know. I thought that was pretty sick. We've been seeing frost on the ground here, but there's just a bunch on the trees up there. So. All right, we're about to get off Garson Road.
Finally.
Going up there, that's where the Hunter Lake Trail starts officially, like on the maps. I mean, technically this is all Hunter Lake Trail. The views are really cool, but I wanted to stop here to show you guys this little runoff creek. I don't know if this is an actual creek or if it's just runoff, but super cool. We're about 8,500 feet up here. All right, onward.
We're in a pretty cool area here. It looked cooler when it was green, but it's still pretty cool. So if I have any video, I'll play it. This is what we got going. It's pretty great. All right, so here we are. This really isn't much. We'll see how much it flexes. Gotta turn because it's pretty tight. And that's a car over there. Here we are. Right after that, you get to this. It's one of the quite a few cars that are like this on the trail. This is the first one you get to if you're coming from Garson.
Mint condition, I know what I got.
Oh yeah. Even got a glove box. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's one of those suspension seats right there. It's like you know, like what Toyota's doing now on the Tacomas.
Oh yeah.
This is the you know.
This is the OG.
Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah. If you build something like this, it lasts this long.
And it's got a roof low roof, so it's kind of like a sports car.
The bullet holes are for decoration, of course.
Yeah, you need to have ventilation, so.
Yep.
Yeah, and it's got windows. It doesn't have glass. Well, it does, but not in the window anymore. There's something there. Pretty sweet. I think it was July 1st, 2024. There was water here. Let's see if there still is. Looks to be a little bit. Now we got like not really much of an obstacle, but like, it's sort of a hill with rocks. That's crazy. There we go.
Yeah, little mishap.
It's all right. We're getting close to Hunter and we got some running water here. I think we recorded this in the summer as well, but it's really nice here.
We are rolling in to Hunter Lake now, or what we said that's in the past, it's Hunter Lake. As you can see, there's no lake. There's a tiny body of water we could probably try and find, but we're definitely gonna just post up and eat lunch first because we are hungry. All right, we parked up here. We got some lunch going on. What are you having for lunch, Nick?
We got that, peanut butter and jelly, white bread, classic.
Oh yeah. I as well have that good old PB&J. We're gonna eat some lunch and then maybe walk out and try and find the lake. And then
this will
we'll
be the third time.
Yeah, third time finding the lake. And then we'll make our way down into Caughlin.
What's up, guys? Oh, we'll retake that one.
Ain't no way.
What's up, guys? So we're going to find Hunter Lake. We've tried. This is our third time trying. This sucks.
I don't think this is a good idea.
What are you talking about? Let me see this. I know good ideas. Let me judge this. You might be right. This might not be the best idea. Just go around that way.
All right, is the ground wet here?
So this is what we want to avoid.
This might be a fail because it's late season, so there's actually water. Yeah, no, this is all like water. Nah. I don't think we're making it this time.
We got it. Okay. Oh. I mean,
it's like full swamp. Oh wait.
Sludgy.
Oh, dude, we already found it.
No way.
Dude, is this a world record? Oh, nope. I think we're in the lake.
Ah. All right.
My boots are very wet. But yeah, if just kind of peek the camera over there, you can see the lake a little bit.
All right, I'm going out. That's as far as I'm going. Yeah. All right, bad news. Stopped recording on accident. That's my bad. Right now we're heading out of Hunter Lake. Up ahead of us, we got a decent sized convoy, actually. I don't know how slow or how quick they're gonna be. Probably fine speed, it seems to be fine. But we were ahead of them, but when you stop to record, it takes a little longer. But now we're heading on out. And for a while, you're just gonna have this flat area. All right, so we got some good news and some bad news. We're going a little quicker now because they let us pass. That's good, but it's also, we're stopping to record, so we don't really want to get in the way of them. It might be a little bit until we get the passing shots for you guys. We've reached a tighter spot in the trail. It's not a super long time, but it goes on for a while. There's a lot more rocks in this section. After this, you kind of get actually a really nice view. If you're someone who's worried about scratching paint, or really worried about it, maybe you just got your fancy new car, you're gonna be rubbing some paint. Not a lot, but a little bit. I mean, you can hear it. It's nothing like some other trails I've been on where you're basically carving a path. It gets pretty crazy. But I mean, stuff like this, you're not gonna avoid it. You're just not. I mean, you can try, but you're not fully avoiding it. Occasionally you get a little bit of city views while you're in here.
Just gotta flex on the haters real quick. Don't mind me flexing on all the haters right now. Straight up.
All right, we made it out of the trees. There's a bench there now.
I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but somebody brought a picnic table all the way up here. Who brings a picnic table up this far? We're still at like 8,000 feet up here. That's some dedication right there. We're rolling up now here to a little outlook point. We're gonna take a little break, take in the view.
Very scenic, but it's too windy to record here right now. It's too bad for the mics right now. So we're gonna be heading down that way. We got the city, and then, oh, down there, that's one of the Jeep guys that let us pass earlier. All right, here we are. Now he's going through a little bit of a puddle. Really not sure how deep it is, but we're about to find out.
It got a bit sloshy going through that, I gotta be honest. I don't know if I got this on video at all, but like last year, I think, or 2 years ago, I went through this when it was frozen, and that was no good. First time, it was good, didn't crack, didn't sound like it was gonna crack. Then second time I went through it, rear of the truck broke through the ice, and it wasn't good, but it's not frozen this time, so we're chilling. All right, here comes Nick.
So we started here, we've gone all the way here, now we're here, and then we're getting closer to where it turns into Blue Truck Fork, or as Onyx says, and then we end at the Hunter Lake Trailhead. Oh, got that guy. All right, pretty bad spot to pass. That's great. Yeah, he could have picked a better spot. Sometimes you get that.
Here's a new one. It's not an abandoned old car. It's a wrecked, abandoned, newish quad. I wonder if this thing rolled. That would be no bueno. Still got its CV axles. Surprised nobody took that. It still has its shocks, but the wheels and handlebars, some of the engine stuff's gone. Here comes Nick. All right, we just about got out of the trees. We're getting close. We're lowering down into the city. We're not soaring above it too much anymore. Only thing that's really notable that's left is the hard line, but I don't even know if we'll do it right now. We just got the views.
All right, so now we're heading down this big hill. We'll be ending right there. We're sort of starting to run out of time. Hardline's great, but we're not gonna be doing it this time. We're just gonna be taking the bypass. We made it back down to the Hunter Lake Trailhead. The road is right there.
This storm's been rolling in the past like hour-ish. We had a good day up there, but now it's just all nasty and stormy up there. So that was the whole Hunter Lake trip in the TJ and the Tacoma.